एक इंसान को एक्टर बनने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए सबसे पहले? व्हाट ही शुड डू इफ यू वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर?
I think to be an actor, you need to be made of a different metal.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आज की डेट में मूवीज में भी काम कर रहे हैं.
That job is not only for you, it's for anybody who fits the part. It's for anybody who will do justice to that role.
आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है दोस्तों, जिन्होंने इंडिया में जो मूवीज के लिए जो कास्टिंग होती है उसको बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल वे में चालू किया. ही इज वन ऑफ द पॉइनियर्स हु स्टार्टेड द कास्टिंग सीन इन इंडिया. उससे पहले कास्टिंग को लोग थोड़ा साइड बिजनेस मानते थे. ठीक है, कोई जान पहचान का एक्टर ले लिया, डायरेक्टर ने खुद ने यहाँ वहाँ ढूंढ लिए. बट देन ही रियली स्टार्टेड दिस एंड नाउ एज वी नो देयर लॉट ऑफ कास्टिंग एजेंट्स, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स एवरीवेयर इन इंडिया. वेलकम Abhimanyu sir.
Thank you.
And we have seen some of your projects like Chak De India and Rocket Singh.
Yeah.
And the casting was amazing. Obviously, everybody know about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
कैसा लगा आपको?
Good. It's been quite a good journey, yeah. And of course, there are a lot of changes that are happening in the way people perceive casting now.
So tell me one thing, that how you found out the lacuna के उस समय इंडस्ट्री इतनी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं थी या फिर कास्टिंग ढंग से नहीं हो रही थी. What was the thought process behind it कि आपको लगा कि नहीं, we have to make it more streamlined, more professional?
नहीं, वो सब नहीं सोचा मैंने उस टाइम पे. I was casting on Rang De Basanti, and उस टाइम पे there were some of the crew members were British, and they said कि जो आप कर रहे हो यहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा, पर in Hollywood and in England it's a full-fledged profession. And then I actually started enjoying it. I was anyway enjoying it very much because I preferred doing that than being an assistant director. And then वो उसके बाद एक और film, then it kind of took off. Yeah.
So जैसे कि देखा आज आप जब पॉडकास्ट पे आए तो you came with a bike.
Yeah.
So you like bike riding a lot?
Oh yeah. I go everywhere on my bike. No more cars.
Do you have a group?
Well, no. I mostly like to ride solo. Yeah. I'm mostly a solo person.
हाँ, बॉम्बे में वैसे ही it's like too much of traffic.
Yeah. You want to get away from people.
But how you feel like it's a heavy bike, 1200 cc, right?
हाँ.
Speed triple.
हाँ. नहीं, it's a speed twin.
Speed twin.
1200, yeah.
So ऐसे ट्रैफिक में नहीं लगता कभी?
नहीं, yeah. It's a psychological thing, you know. Once you practice something,
Yeah.
you learn it. It's like, you know, I see in museums, you see those huge swords and you're thinking कि उठाया कैसे इन लोग ने?
सही में definitely, क्योंकि
But वो जब practice करते थे, they knew how to fight with those swords. They not only picked up the swords, they knew to fight with it.
when I bought a bike, it is also a 1200 cc very heavy bike.
Yeah,
तो मुझे भी लग रहा था कैसे चलाऊंगा. फिर बाद में मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा, अरे भाई तेरे को बाइक को नहीं चलाना, बाइक तेरे को चलाएगी.
Yeah. No. It's about controlling what you do.
Yeah.
Like even in a skill, and since we're talking about acting may be whether you want to learn a skill within acting. शुरू में you may feel कि अरे वो मुझे नहीं आता है, वो मैं कैसे करूँगा या करूँगी. पर when you practice it becomes very easy. In few months time you start perfecting it.
गिरे तो नहीं कभी आप?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं यार.
अभी तक नहीं गिरा?
अभी तक नहीं.
मैं तो एक बार गिरा था.
That's okay. It's good to fall.
हाँ, मेरे एक हाथ में हेलमेट था, वो पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा था, बाइक को आगे पीछे कर रहा था. तो it was a new bike.
Yeah, but I think एक चीज है कि when you are doing something now, whether we use riding as a metaphor, you have to give it that respect constantly, even if it's a ghoda, if it's a bike or a ghoda, or if it's or if you're acting, or if it's anything that you're doing, you have to know that it is somewhere greater than you.
Right.
Or you're directing a film, or you're performing. So what happens is the moment you don't give it that respect, you're going to be in trouble.
Yeah. Okay, before coming to our questions, I just want to ask you something which is very important, कि एक इंसान को एक्टर बनने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए सबसे पहले? What he should do if you want to become an actor? Simple. जैसे बहुत सारे नए बच्चे आते हैं, बॉम्बे आते हैं. Lot of youngsters come, they want to become an actor, actresses. What they need to do when they land Bombay?
Well, I think it's बहुत vast.
बहुत
question
वास्ट है, पर ये क्वेश्चन सबके दिमाग में क्या करूँ, मतलब आप आ गए बॉम्बे or now you are doing some modeling? या
So,
फिर आपकी
so
acting
I
में
think the
what
first
they should
thing,
do,
if you
the
want
steps.
to be an actor,
Yeah, the steps.
the
simple
first
steps.
thing you need to do is to condition your mind into accepting failure.
Okay, that is important.
Yeah, because I think to be an actor, you need to be made of a different metal. It is your that will. Because I can't be an actor because I can't take rejection for more than 5 days in my life.
Yeah.
As an actor, हर रोज rejection, and how you can mentally go through all that. It's tremendous. तो सबसे पहले you should not be in a rush.
Okay.
Don't come thinking कि उसको वो एक महीने में वो स्टार बन गया. वो हो जाता है कभी कभी. Anything is possible in the universe in that sense. But the reality is कि you need to tell yourself कि okay, I'm going to spend so many years to keep trying. And that's all you have to do. You have to come with that mental preparation.
And what about trying that they should come here, join some acting classes or acting schools or go for auditions, then
Everything.
everything.
और उसी प्रोसेस में पता चलेगा कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या अच्छा है, क्या अच्छा नहीं है, कहाँ पे कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, कहाँ पे टाइम वेस्ट होगा, वो एक्सपीरियंस से ही पता चलेगा. सो द मोर यू डू दिस, द मोर यू इट्स लाइक राइडिंग अ बाइक.
So basically कोई blueprint नहीं है.
नहीं, blueprint बिल्कुल नहीं है.
You jump into it with a positive mindset कि हाँ failures तो हैं.
Yeah, you have to be strong.
आजकल मूवीज और जो बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं एक्टिंग के, उसकी कास्टिंग ऑनलाइन होने लग गई है. कई बार जाके भी कास्टिंग देनी पड़ती है. सो हाउ टू रीच आउट और हाउ टू फाइंड आउट कि कौन कौन से कास्टिंग एजेंट्स हैं, डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, और उनको कैसे अप्रोच करना चाहिए किसी नए एक्टर के लिए.
तो एक्चुअली जब एक्टर्स आते हैं ना, एंड इवन व्हेन दे हियर, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू आस्क अदर एक्टर्स, फेलो एक्टर्स, because they are going to be your best source of information.
Yes.
और very often actors एक दूसरे की हेल्प करेंगे कि वहाँ पे चले जाओ, वो ट्राई करो. और कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कोई साथ में आता है और उसको रोल मिल जाएगा और जिसको बुलाया था उसको रोल नहीं मिला. तो ऐसा भी होता है. ऐसे हुआ है मेरे साथ. I cast somebody like this in Rocket Singh. वो साथ में आया था, वो बाहर बैठा था, वो और मैं किसी और को टेस्ट कर रहा था अंदर. और मैं बोला बाहर कौन बैठा है, तो बोला मेरा दोस्त है. मैं बोला चलो मैं उसको टेस्ट करता हूँ, और वी लाइक हिम एंड ही गॉट द रोल. सो ऐसा भी होता है.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज एवरीवेयर, ग्रैब करो.
So yeah, otherwise just ask around, keep asking around. You have to be constantly very proactive in doing this. And ऐसा कोई और कभी ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि किसी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को कोई इरिटेट हो जाएगा. अगर वो होंगे तो उनका प्रॉब्लम है. But your responsibility as an actor is to keep on reaching out.
Yes.
Because that's what you have to do. So you shouldn't shy away from that.
आजकल वैसे the people also get a lot of messages from the casting director companies also. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो लोग काफ़ी अप्रोच करते हैं. They are also looking for new faces every time. I also keep on getting a lot of messages. All the models keep on getting a lot of messages. But there's a good thing.
See, इसमें there is the entire system is not organized. So अगर कोई नया आ रहा है, उनको वो जो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मेथड है वो ढूंढना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो है नहीं. You can get a lead role of a movie by going to the best schools, best acting schools around the world, and studying acting and everything and reading every book and then getting a lead role. Or you could be somebody who's sitting sipping a coffee in a coffee shop, and someone says, oh, I want to try you out, and he gets the role. So anything is possible. But उसका भी एक फ्लिप साइड है कि लोग को लगता है कि मुझे कॉफ़ी शॉप में डिस्कवर होना चाहिए
होना चाहिए।
या मैं उस वहाँ पे डिस्कवर हो जाऊंगा या हो जाऊंगी।
तो कॉफी शॉप में बैठे रहते हैं, कॉफी
तो
पीते रहते हैं।
या आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग इट एज एन एग्जाम्पल एंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फील दैट they'll get lucky, and because they feel they'll get lucky, they don't work at themselves or work on themselves enough. Whereas acting is one of the most complex
Obviously.
art forms. It is one of the most complex art forms. It's psychologically so complicated and physically so complicated that it takes years to master. And many people feel that वो हो जाएगा जब होना है, पर मुझे so and so बैनर के साथ लीड रोल चाहिए and that's it for them. But that's fine. अगर वो ये चीज़ चाहते हैं लाइफ में तो ठीक है, उनका ही वो है, आउटलुक है.
इंडिया में मूवीज़ में आने के लिए जो कास्टिंग एजेंट्स हैं या कास्टिंग एजेंसीज हैं, उनमें से आप किन किन का नाम रिकमेंड करना चाहिए? कौन सी अच्छी एजेंसीज हैं प्रेजेंटली इन दिल्ली में और बॉम्बे में मेनली?
I won't really take any agencies' names like that. I don't really believe in that. I think many of the, like, say, the top 5 agencies, they're all good. If you Google them, whichever top 5 come, they're all good. But it's not about that. For me, an agency doesn't mean I will find the actor.
Okay.
That it doesn't mean I'll find the actor. So I need to look everywhere.
पर जैसे कोई न्यू कमर एक्टर है, एक्ट्रेस है, वो उनको कई बार नाम भी नहीं मालूम होते कि कौन से अच्छे कास्टिंग एजेंट्स हैं बॉम्बे में या कौन सी अच्छी कंपनीज है जो कास्टिंग करती है.
No, you have to spend time here. You have to spend
Obviously.
time. You have to. Today, if I go, say, to LA to settle down,
Yeah.
I won't know where to go. So slowly, I'll start talking to people and then start feeling more rooted after 1 year or maybe 1.5 years or 2 years or 3 years. So everything takes time.
इनिशियली सब लोगों को ऑडिशन वीडियोस बनाने पड़ते हैं व्हेनेवर एनी प्रोजेक्ट कम्स. सो आप उन वीडियोस के अंदर क्या चीज़ देखते हैं विच इज़ कैची फॉर यू कि हाँ अगर किस तरह से वीडियो बनाना चाहिए एक एक्टर को? ऑडिशन वीडियोस एक तो होती है स्क्रिप्ट के से पहले इंट्रोडक्शन है या फिर कुछ मोनोलॉग है. व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक क्राइटेरिया जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स देखते हैं जिससे उनके प्री सिलेक्शन में आने के चांसेस बढ़ जाए?
तो मैं कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स क्या देखते हैं वो आई कांट आंसर दैट. जो मैं देखता हूँ आई कैन आंसर दैट. ठीक है. आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग आई लुक फॉर इज स्किल. The second thing I look for is the appearance of the person, how the look fits for the part. The third thing I look for is IQ. The fourth thing I look for is EQ.
Yeah,
Emotional.
EQ is very important these days.
No, it's not these days. It's very important. It's very important as a human being. And just general intelligence. I don't care about the background.
Yeah.
I don't care about the background. People do care about the background.
Yeah.
Okay? So, aesthetically, it's always good to have a good background, be clear of distraction, because the focus needs to be you.
Right.
If you are sending me something with your clothes hanging behind on the door, obviously aesthetically it kind of disrupts what you're watching. But so for me that is not priority, but I think it is something aesthetically which should be considered by an actor.
Yeah.
But for me it's the actor.
So एक्टिंग के लिए EQ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. EQ एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो हो सकता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं है.
So emotional quotient.
या बहुत सारे लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं है. सो आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कि आप अपने EQ को बेटर कैसे बना सकते हैं. एनी वे यू नो.
Well, to be a more sensitive person, to be a more aware person. I mean, there's so many things that makes you who you are.
Yeah.
You cannot say today, now I will spend 1 hour on working on my EQ or IQ. Now, IQ, which people know, is something you cannot just work on
IQ
on a
is
daily.
something
It
which
is
is more of
what you have,
genetics, yes.
and you can build upon it over time. You can improve it upon time. But what I'm trying to say is that it's very important for actors to be intelligent, besides being skillful. But a lot of the skill will come when you have very high level of intelligence and high level of empathy.
Yeah.
Because empathy will help you in.
There is this book by Patrick King or Emotional Quotient, which is also good. So there are so many books are available in the market about
Yeah.
EQ.
Yeah.
So I think, is it helpful for them to read?
It's helpful to read anything.
Obviously, right?
It's helpful to gain knowledge. It's helpful to learn. And I think it's extremely important for actors to educate themselves in all these subjects. And even directors, forget actors. Directors need to educate themselves more.
एक्टिंग के लिए, एक एक्टर के लिए सोशल मीडिया कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और क्या आप उनके इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट में एक्सप्लोर करते हो कि, या आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है एक एक्टर का इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट?
मेरे लिए पर्सनली बिल्कुल इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. I don't like Instagram. I think it's like a disease now.
Yeah.
And I think one needs to be very mindful of how long you use it for. It can be beneficial, provided it's used in the right way. But the problem is that it's designed to go beyond that. It's designed to get you addicted. Somewhere I was reading it's as addictive as cocaine.
Sugar and cocaine.
Yeah,
Sugar is more addictive than cocaine, let me tell you.
I suppose so.
Sugar is more dangerous.
Yeah. So the whole thing is that it's like, okay, when you're saying is it good? The question is that it's very difficult to say, because if you're going to be on Instagram for hours a day, that means you're wasting your time.
Yeah.
There is nothing you can do which you will gain by being on Instagram for more than 20 minutes.
True.
And I think the only thing you'll gain in 20 minutes is some form of entertainment, which is good for you, which is healthy. But one of the reasons why a person swipes is because they're all, I think in all of us now, I don't use Instagram, but everyone's got ADD.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't know that. You would know what ADD is,
Attention
obviously.
span is like decreasing day by day.
Attention
Now it's somewhere around
deficit disorder, and
less
I
than
think
10
everyone is suffering from it now. And now children are getting hooked on it. So what's happening is, because you spend so much time on this, you don't spend any time on skill
Yeah.
or actually development, learning. Although you may think that you're learning something by watching videos, but you're not learning anything by watching a man or girl eating a pizza in Milan. Nothing cool about it. Like, what's so great about it, right? So, or where you're holidaying. So the thing is that if you want to use Instagram as a tool to create work for yourself, then yes, absolutely. Like how many influencers would do. Then of course, that's also very open for discussion, that what is an influencer, and what is a worthy influencer, and what is a not so worthy influencer. Okay, because a lot of people, when they don't know what to do, they just say कि कुछ भी डाल दो और कुछ भी बना दो और लोग देखेंगे. But the thing is, it's like, so it depends how you want to approach this thing.
So the main thing is that they don't use Instagram just for your time pass. Make it a tool. Make it used for as a business, as a portfolio.
Yeah.
If you're an actor, show your acting skills mainly.
Yeah, see, even if you want to put up your skills, there are a lot of people who use Instagram to showcase their work.
Yeah.
Do it for that. Do it for that. But I don't know. I mean, I'm not a person who's very. I really have my take on social media in that sense, and its ill effects and how it's taken over everything. It's destroyed cinema.
Yeah.
Like, okay, Instagram has destroyed cinema. Simple. So, and how has it destroyed cinema? Is because it's given ADD to everybody, and you don't have the patience to sit through a movie. Even the movies we're watching in OTTs, there are very few people जो एक ही बारी में movie देख लेंगे.
हाँ
वो they'll watch half an hour, pause, शाम को रात को another half an hour, next day another half an hour.
थोड़ी मूवी देखते हैं फिर चेंज करके दूसरी देख लेते हैं फिर तीसरी देख लेते हैं.
Exactly. And this is the reason why people don't see films in cinema halls anymore. It has completely demolished it, and I don't know if it'll ever return. And if it'll probably only return when people get sick and tired of social media, and a ban comes on people using social media who are below 18. Because ideally there should be a complete ban on below 18 to use social media.
मेरे को लगता है अभी तो मेटा आने वाला है. सो मेटा तो है ही, मतलब मेटावर्स. लेट्स सी.
Yeah.
कहाँ जाती है?
Like in Australia, they have passed a law, they're passing a law that below 16, no social media. It's illegal.
Good.
So one sensible country.
सर आज की डेट में आप देखते हैं कि देयर आर सो मेनी लाइक डिजिटल आने की वजह से बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी आए हैं, एंड ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं जो एक्टिंग इंडस्ट्री में काम भी कर रहे हैं. और आप अगर उनके नंबर ऑफ फॉलोअर्स को देखते हो तो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट माइंड में आता है कि वी शुड फॉलो हिम और नॉट. बट इन योर पर्सपेक्टिव आज की डेट में इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आज की डेट में मूवीज में भी काम कर रहे हैं, एंड ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि हाउ वी सी द रियल टैलेंट इन इट. बिकॉज अगर मैं वास्ट अगर थोड़ा सा देखता हूँ तो अगर आप देखें स्लोमो में वीडियो चल रही है, कोई पुरानी मूवी का डायलॉग चल रहा है, एंड ही हैव एनॉर्मस फॉलोअर्स मोर देन एक्टर्स. व्हाट्स योर टेक इन दैट कि ये किस तरीके से हमें आई थिंक हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस क्या होना चाहिए उसको लेके?
So see, one thing we should be clear about is that a lot of actors feel, or they complain sometimes, that influencers are taking our jobs.
Which is happening.
Yeah. Answer is, so what? Answer is, that job is not only for you, it's for anybody who fits the part. It's for anybody who will do justice to that role. It's for anybody who will be able to get you an audience. Okay. So now when you look at influencers, some influencers ने जिन लोग ने movies किए हैं, web shows किए हैं, some of them are very, very good. They're really good. Like you can't contest it. And why should you contest it? If someone is good, they're good. If they are playing the part well, they're playing the part well. Only thing is कि अभी जो let's put it as जो contestants हैं, the contestants have grown. So it's not only an acting community, now it's an acting community, a pure acting community. Now there's a influencer community. So these are different communities, but they're all working towards the same thing. So it would be unfair to say कि वो influencer को role क्यों मिला, actor को क्यों नहीं मिला, पर वो acting कर रहा है वो, and he's doing a good job. So I think one should stop thinking of that कि उसमें एक फ्लिप साइड है, नॉट रियली फ्लिप साइड, वन रिजल्ट कि a lot of actors feel कि अरे now I need to become an influencer, I need to increase my number of followers, and what happens is it's fine if you want to do that, but I feel कि कभी क्या होता है कि you run out of ideas, and what happens is when you're constantly finding this need to put up a video every few days, your content quality is going to deteriorate. It cannot be good because you possibly cannot keep coming up with something which is good and engaging every few days, and that's what happens is when mediocrity sets in.
आई थिंक ये मैंने देखा भी और क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व भी किया है, जितने हमारे सीनियर्स एक्टर्स हैं बहुत रेयरली है अगर वो अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कुछ डाल रहे हैं, एंड बट जो न्यू कमर्स एक्टर्स हैं दे आर पोस्टिंग एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
And
They're posting everything, and also I think it's again I keep saying it's a psychological problem.
and why इसलिए because when I came here मैंने सोशलाइज भी किया काफ़ी, मुझे ये एडवाइस दी गई दैट यू हैव टू बी वेरी विजिबल, कुछ भी डालो, जस्ट बी विजिबल ऑन सोशल मीडिया. एंड आई थिंक आज की डेट में बहुत सारी PR एजेंसीज भी हैं जो इसमें इस चीज़ आप आई थिंक आपको इसके लिए अप्रोच करती है, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स बिकम अ बिजनेस. एंड बट पर्सनली जो मुझे लगता है कि यार मेरा हमेशा खुद से ये सवाल होता है, ये करने तो नहीं आया था.
नहीं, सी एक चीज़ है कि इसमें एक चीज़ हमें एक्सेप्ट करना है और अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि सी ज़ांडा, नाउ आई विल टेल यू कि लेट्स अज्यूम दैट आई एम वेयरिंग दिस शर्ट एंड इट belongs to you. You've made this shirt. Now, you want to make an ad. Okay? TVCs कोई देखता नहीं है. TV कोई देखता नहीं है.
अब नहीं देखता कोई.
I removed my antenna, dish antenna 7 years ago. Removed it. I don't want television in my life. Okay? I don't want many of these news channels in my life. I don't want to be influenced by this. Okay? Now, when you remove all these things, the medium will start changing. कि अब लोग कहाँ देख रहे हैं? Okay? लोग अपने devices पे देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, चलो. Now you have this shirt and you have a budget and you're like, listen, I need to make a 20-second ad. ठीक है? So you will say, okay, there is Abhimanyu there. उसके 20 followers है. And that Abhimanyu over there has 14 million followers. You tell me, which Abhimanyu will you choose? The first one or the second one?
बट आई थिंक इसका एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन मेरा ये हुआ, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि लोग ये चीज़ें समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक कुछ ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी हैं जो सिर्फ स्लोमो में वीडियोस बनाते हैं, एंड दे हैव अ गुड नंबर ऑफ फॉलोअर्स.
Right.
एंड ये चीज़ हमें तो समझ आती है कि हाँ व्हाट कैपेबिलिटी ही हैज़ या ही हैव, बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज ऑडियंस जो एज अ बिगिनर्स हैं इन चीज़ों के लिए, बच्चे भी हैं जो इन चीज़ों से इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं. और आज की डेट में बच्चे तो बहुत जल्दी हो रहे हैं, न्यू जनरेशन तो बहुत जल्दी इन्फ्लुएंस हो रही है. तो हाउ टू डिफाइन इट कि ये किस पॉसिबिलिटी वे में हमारे लिए यूजफुल है या ये सही है? Is this the real talent or what exactly like?
No, it's not about real talent. It's about business also. It's about business for some people, right? It's talent for somebody, it's business for somebody else, and then they meet, right? So if you're looking at, so you cannot look at that emotionally in that sense, because there's the reality of it. There's the reality of it, but the good thing is कि chance सबको मिल सकता है, whether you're an influencer, you're not an influencer, there's work for everybody in that sense. Certain times you want an influencer, certain times you don't want an influencer. So it's not as if सारा काम उन्हीं को जा रहा है, It's not like that.
सो इसी के साथ मेरा एक्चुअली दूसरा सवाल है आज की डेट में कि आज की डेट में स्किल को कोई इम्प्रूव नहीं करना चाहता, सब अपने इंस्टाग्राम नंबर्स को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं
For this reason.
एंड
For this reason.
सो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज द थिंग
But उसमें एक दूसरी एक और चीज़ है. Now see when it comes to movies, अगर मैं दो लोगों को टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ और एक है एक इन्फ्लुएंसर जो बिल्कुल एक्ट नहीं कर सकता है और एक है एक्टर जो बहुत ही अच्छा एक्टर है, आई विल ऑलवेज चूज द एक्टर बिकॉज आई विल प्रॉबली लीन टूवर्ड्स इन द सेम सिनारियो और अगर बजट है I will lean towards the influencer because I need to cast in a way which will do good to the product because you're casting with a certain intention. But in a movie or a web show, I will cast with the intention कि the actor has to be right. Now whether the actor is जो कल ट्रेन से आया कहीं से या कोई है जो इन्फ्लुएंसर है, millions of followers, doesn't matter. The actor has to make a very strong impact on that character and hence on the show or this thing.
बट वाइडली आप देखते हैं कि जितने भी जो थोड़ा बहुत काम करना उन्होंने शुरू किया जो एक्टर्स हैं हमारे पास एक्टिंग्स के ऑडिशंस कम और टीवी सीरीज के बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं. पर्सनली ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. मुझे टीवी सीरीज के बहुत आए हैं, एक्टिंग के बहुत लिमिटेड आते हैं. क्या वो मेरी एक्टिंग के क्राफ्ट को इफेक्ट करता है और अगर करता है तो हाउ टू सेव इट?
No, so save it as in कि acting की craft को affect करता है in a bad way, right? You mean in a bad way?
Yes, क्योंकि मैं टीवी सीरीज के ऑडिशन मेरे पास ज़्यादा आते हैं तो मेरा बेसिकली एक रूटीन बन जाता है सेम करते करते.
So I'll answer this in a see I'll tell you what Xander क्या है कि an actor has to educate him or herself to improvise. Now, what do I mean by improvisation? Improvisation doesn't mean go non-scripted. I'm not talking about that form of improvisation. I'm talking about a way of improvisation where you can improvise to adjust according to the driving conditions. Okay? A good driver will not only be a good driver on a straight road. There are different road conditions also, right? There'll be twisties, there'll be bumpy roads, there'll be off-roading. There are different forms of driving, but you need to generally be a good driver. उसी में you might say कि ये specific इसमें मेरा skill ज़्यादा है कि मुझे TV बहुत पसंद है, मुझे सिनेमा बहुत पसंद है, मुझे थिएटर बहुत पसंद है. Now what happens is you need to be able to adjust as per the medium. When you act in theatre, your acting will be a little different from when you're acting in cinema, in front of a camera. A simple example for people who may not know is like there are mics on you in a movie.
Yes.
You can whisper, whereas एक play में आप whisper करोगे किसी को सुनाई नहीं देगा. पर आपको वही इमोशन इमोट करना है by talking louder. Now that also changes what you're doing. So that's why it's very important as an actor to actually experience all kinds of forms of acting. There is no form which is beneath any other form. If anyone thinks that there's only one form which is more superior, then that person is extremely stupid. That person is foolish and they're giving another actor completely wrong, very pompous advice. Because acting is an art.
Yes.
You cannot say that one form of acting is more superior to another form of acting. So everything has to be, मेरे हिसाब से, everything should be approached in a very serious manner, in the same passion as you would with any other form.
So sir, जैसा कि आई थिंक जब आपसे मेरी एक फर्स्ट मुलाकात हुई थी ड्यूरिंग हम आई थिंक एक प्रोजेक्ट में काम भी कर रहे थे एंड मुझे बताया गया था कि आप आई थिंक मेरा आपसे मेरी मीटिंग्स होगी मॉर्निंग में. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर एट 9 o'clock. And then I search about it, then I find it okay. Okay, and a bit nervous for sure. And firstly, आपके साथ conversation करके like ऐसा नहीं लगा कि like I'm nervous or something like that. You actually helped me out to calm down first. And they asked me 3 questions. Need, want and intent. क्या आप इसके बारे में हमें थोड़ी सी और डिटेल्स बता सकते हैं कि why is these 3 special words are important in acting?
So actually, this is actually from acting program which I've started, and how it came up was कि जब मैं अपना स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा हूँ, I was also trying to imagine how the characters should be emotionally, and the graph and all these things. And then I started realizing, as you know, as time goes by, you keep trying to learn more and more and more and more, or understand what you're doing more and more. Then I started realizing how important these 3 aspects are. So I call it the triangle of intent, and this is one of the things which I well, I won't say teach, but one of the things that we do in the program. Because I feel if you understand these 3 aspects, then you have to stop acting completely. Then you need to stop acting. So, to understand these things, you need to have certain intelligence. So what I keep telling my participants is to focus on that intelligence. Focus on your sense of assessment, sense of judgment, your critical thinking. So then a section of the thing is on critical thinking and emotional intelligence. When you start thinking more critically and you start focusing on your emotional intelligence, you start understanding the need, want and intention of the character. And then you just need to follow the need, want and intention of the character, and that is your performance.
Absolutely, for true. Because actually, it's bother me. Actually, put me in a deep thought when you asked me, and I think उस time तो I tried, and
it's a very difficult thing to answer. It's a very difficult thing to answer.
I find very difficult because
initially.
जो मैंने आंसर दिए थे आपको कि what's my wants and need and intent.
Yeah.
उस आंसर जब कॉल कट हुई तो I was like मैं भी deep thought में लगा, and even I was not satisfied the answer I gave.
Yeah.
I took some time for it, and
so it's very difficult initially to understand need, want and intention, and that's the whole thing. When you practice something again and again, and it becomes your approach. When that becomes your approach, whenever I get something like when you cook, we have a style of cooking, we have a method that we follow. Some people like to cut everything and keep it there and then just put. Some people want to do it in a different style
during the time.
Yeah, while doing it. So everyone's got their own.
like पैन लगाया, ऑयल किया, फटाफट मैंने उस टाइम फिर मैं चॉपिंग भी कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
प्याज डाला, उसके बाद गार्लिक डाल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उससे ऑटोमेटिकली एक प्रोसेस होता है मेरा. जैसे कि पहले मैंने पैन को डाला, उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल डाल दिया.
So do you have a process for your acting now? Is it a fixed process?
Sir, being honestly, I'm still finding it.
No, that's fine.
Still finding
so that's the whole thing. So the intention is that you need to. So your intention as an actor is that you intend to find your process.
Firstly, एक process मैंने जो try किया था कि उस स्क्रिप्ट को प्रॉपर समझ के आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम फिजिकल में हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी, तो मैंने ये सोचा था कि आई ऑब्जर्व द होल स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई विल गो मीट यू एज रॉ, लाइक आई विल मीट यू एज अ वाटर, लेट्स सी आप किस शेप में मुझे डालते हैं.
So this which we were talking about earlier, you were mentioning director's actor. So I think this is a very good point where we can talk about that
Yes.
as well.
Yes.
Now, what is a director's actor? You know, a lot of actors feel that they want to be a director's actor. Now, in my mind, a director's actor is somebody who really understands the script, who really understands the character, who really understands the character's arc, and is somebody who, in my mind, is fun to work with. Somebody who where you collaborate together. According to me, that's a director's actor.
आई थिंक मैंने ये हमारे मतलब भारतीय सिनेमा के एक्टर हैं रणबीर कपूर, उन्होंने किसी एक इंटरव्यूज में बताया था कि टू इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर एंड देन मेरा एक थॉट था कि मे बी ही इज इन दैट पोजिशन कि ही कैन बॉदर द डायरेक्टर एज मच एज पॉसिबल बट मैं सोच रहा था कि लाइक
So that collaboration that I'm talking about, no. See, I don't think a director's actor is somebody who completely surrenders himself, because as an actor you might know something better than the director. Director's actor doesn't mean that you only listen to the director, because who says the director knows everything? So a director should be an actor's director also, for the right fusion to happen, for the combustion to happen. So they both need to bring out the best in each other. They both need to have great understanding of everything. So a good actor, a director's actor in that sense will surrender himself to a director, but not blindly.
So basically, if you perform well, be aware. I think ज़रूरी नहीं, sometime you also need a lot of maybe आपको बहुत सारे questions आपको डायरेक्टर से पूछने पड़ सकते हैं कि like about this character, but at the same time use your own brain also at the same time कि आपकी approach क्या है, आपकी personal intent क्या कह रहा है.
Yeah.
I think that is
Yeah, I mean, it's very important to have these discussions before the shoot. Of course, during the shoot you can talk, but see, to create something is so complex, and the more intelligent you are, the more complex life becomes actually for you. Okay, and then you reach, and then you try and reach a much higher state of intelligence where you shut off and you become Buddha. But the thing is that when you're not Buddha, so intelligence does complicate things, and even to simplify something is also very complicated. And that's why it's so important to simplify things, because when you simplify, you have more clarity. It's like a crowded, cluttered room and a simple room, where you just have what you need, not what you want. What you want is possession.
I think इसमें मैंने एक कल जिम कैरी का एक मैंने कुछ इंटरव्यूज पढ़े थे मैंने.
Yeah, he's
सुन भी रहा
brilliant.
था.
He's brilliant.
And, I think you have mentioned him earlier also.
Yeah.
कल उनकी एक बात थी जो मुझे शुक कर गई.
Yeah.
कि like he is one of the believer of visualization.
Yeah.
And उन्होंने अपना एक 10 millions का चेक भी साइन किया था अपने लिए, जो उनके वॉलेट में अभी भी है.
Right.
एंड उन्होंने बताया था कि नाउ मैंने बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर प्ले किए और मैं आई बिकम द डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर्स ऑल्सो, आई परफॉर्म इट वेल, एंड मैं किसी भी रोल को कर लेता हूँ. बट देन मेरा एक सवाल था, देन हु इज द जिम कैरी इज, कि लाइक अगर मैं सब इफ आई कैन परफॉर्म वेल, मैं कुछ भी बन जाता हूँ या किसी भी पर्सनालिटी को अडैप्ट कर लेता हूँ, देन बट जिम कैरी कौन है फिर?
Well, Jim Carrey is the man who's transforming into those characters, because he's Jim Carrey off camera. But that's another thing here, because I think if you look at the heroes of the 90s, they were, I think, pretty much trying to project what they imagine themselves to be in real life.
बट ये हमें अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में कहीं पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट तो नहीं करती, बिकॉज व्हेन वी परफॉर्मिंग समथिंग वी हैव टू बिलीव इट, पहले फर्स्ट खुद को वो बिलीव करवाना पड़ता है, देन उसके बाद
Yes, and when you start believing in what the other character is believing, and what here I will specify again is the need, want, and intention of that character, amongst many other things, you will stop being yourself. And that is how you become a character. There are a lot of people who, even now, a lot of prominent actors who find it very difficult to leave their own avatar. So it becomes their avatar in that character's position, but it's still the same person.
बट आई थिंक इंडिया में जितना एक भारतीय सिनेमा को लोग सच मानते हैं, पीपल आर वेरी इंस्पायर्ड, मैंने ग्राउंड लेवल ग्रास लेवल पे देखा है, उनकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं. एंड समटाइम एक्टर्स पोर्ट्रे दे लाइक, आई फाइंड इट इट्स अ क्राफ्ट, आई फाइंड इट इट्स अ कैरेक्टर बेसिकली, बट ये हर किसी की लाइफ में कोई ना कोई कैरेक्टर एक अच्छा इम्पैक्ट कर जाता है, या वो अच्छा भी हो सकता है और या बुरा भी हो सकता है, एंड पीपल एक्चुअली बिलीव दैट एंड मेक देयर लाइफस्टाइल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट.
So, you know, I think culturally, if you look at it culturally, I think culturally Indians are more expressive than the West. The East is more expressive than the West. Okay? The West is cold. Okay? The West is aloof. The East is more intrusive. We express more. So our expressions, if you see, in fact, right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to imitate the Western style of acting, which is being subtle. Whereas if you look at our older art forms, they were more expressive. Even if you look at our traditional dance forms like Kathakali, and they're extremely expressive. Okay, and and now what's happening is that with social media, the whole world can express. So when you see an Arnold Schwarzenegger in the West, people will not worship him the way they will worship a Rajinikanth in India. Although Arnold would probably be even more world famous than Rajinikanth. Some may argue with me on that, but it doesn't matter. But the whole world knows, or let's say Michael Jackson. So the whole world knows who Michael Jackson is, and I'm saying the world knew who Michael Jackson was way before the internet came in. Forget social media. Before the internet came in, before I had a Yahoo account back in the day, a boy in the gully in a village would be dancing like Michael Jackson. So they were very expressive. So right now what's happening is that everyone has the freedom to express, and now it's a complete clash. It's a complete hodgepodge. So now people don't express themselves, and that's one of the reasons why that worshipping quality that we've had in the past has diminished.
बट इसमें लाइक व्हाट योर पर्सपेक्टिव कि अगर उस कैरेक्टर्स को हम देख रहे हैं, इफ सम एक्टर इज परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल एंड मेकिंग दैट कैरेक्टर बिलीवेबल, एज अ ऑडियंस उस कैरेक्टर या उस मूवी को समझने के लिए मेरा क्या माइंडसेट होना चाहिए जो उस मूवी तक रहे, मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में इंटैक्ट ना करे, अगर कर भी रहे हैं तो एक अच्छे तरीके से करें या एक पॉजिटिव वे में करें.
I didn't understand that.
बेसिकली अगर मैं किसी मूवी, बिकॉज इंडिया में बहुत सारी मूवीज़ को सीरियसली तरीके से लोग फॉलो करते हैं मूवीज़ को, एक्टर्स को, आपको बहुत केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है कि आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हो, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द जो बड़े एक्टर्स हैं वो इस चीज़ में बहुत केयरफुल्स हैं. बट उससे ये इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है कि जो उसे फॉलो कर रहा है या उस सिनेमा को फॉलो कर रहा है उस पे उसका एक अच्छा या बुरा प्रभाव पड़ सकता है.
Yeah, I mean, the bigger the star you are, the bigger the actor you are, the more responsible you need to be into what effect people will have when you do something.
बट एज अ ऑडियंस मुझे किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए उस मूवी को देखते हुए जो जिसको मैं ये चीज़ अपने माइंड में क्लियर रखूं कि ओ इट्स एक्ट.
No, you don't, because the moment you know it's an act, that means it's not a well-made film. You need to be immersed in it.
सो हम
The whole purpose of making a movie is to immerse an audience into a story. And the moment you are feeling that it's been orchestrated, that's why it's very difficult for film people to watch movies and really enjoy them, because you're seeing it like script is the scene is this, the performance this that. So it's very difficult to actually enjoy a movie. And if you really enjoy a movie, that's the purpose, right? What is the purpose of cinema? The purpose of cinema is to have an emotional impact on the audience, and whatever emotional impact the filmmaker wants to.
काफ़ी ऑडियंस उसे अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व कर लेती है उस कैरेक्टर्स को.
Yeah, I mean, does affect you. I mean, certain things will affect you, and they can be good, they can be bad.
बट किस माइंडसेट के थ्रू हमें देखें हम उस मूवीज को.
It depends what your emotional state is. You know, you can watch Fast and Furious and you can say that's a entertaining film, or then you can say, okay, I want to buy a Kawasaki Ninja and I want to top 300, and then you die. Your stupidity. You know. See, filmmakers can do, but I think they need to be able to know till where they should be responsible for what they're creating.
सो जैसा कि हमने देखा है कि आज की डेट में सोशल मीडिया इज एवरीवेयर. मुझे तो आज की डेट में सबके इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट भी सेम लगने लगे.
Yeah.
एवरीवन इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग.
Yeah.
बट उस प्रोसेस में आई सीन दैट individual identity is fading. Everyone's
Absolutely,
looking the
you're absolutely
same.
right.
I think मैंने आपसे थोड़ी देर पहले भी ये डिस्कस
It's happening in music.
Yeah.
It's happening everywhere. It's
Absolutely.
happening
Beats भी
everywhere.
same.
It's happening everywhere because everyone's imitating, and that's a sad part of it. But that's the reality.
बट इसमें यही क्वेश्चन आता है कि लाइक इफ एवरीवन इज ट्राइंग टू बी इन्फ्लुएंसर, इन्फ्लुएंस हो कौन रहा है? अगर हो रहा है क्या वो सही हो रहा है?
So
सही
the
तरीके
thing
से
is
हो रहा
that everybody is, well, a lot of people want to be influencers, and everyone is the audience, because almost everyone is on these platforms. So you're the one feeding that engine.
है. बट इसमें अगर हम देखते हैं लाइक
So if people if the consumer stops having a drug, then the drug is of no use, right? But that's not happening. So the moment, as long as the consumers, you can complain about the drug, but as long as you're consuming, don't complain about it. But coming back to your statement about yes, I agree. People have completely lost that sense of individuality. You know,
बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने
because
आपसे
they're thinking कि अरे उसने वो ये वीडियो बनाता है, मैं भी यही वीडियो ऐसे ही बनाऊंगा. And see, there's nothing wrong in doing that. But the point is that there are very few people जो उसको अच्छी तरह से करेंगे. You may be inspired by another person, and it's very good to be inspired. It's a very humble thing to be inspired. But to do something little differently and to do it better should be your aim.
बट पहला एक वक्त था जहाँ पे एक डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी या उस क्रिएटिव आइडियाज को अप्रिशिएट अप्लॉज किया जाता था. आज की डेट में जो नया जनरेशन आया है,
Yeah.
फील इनसिक्योर, उन्होंने
Yeah.
साइडलाइन कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
what's your take in that?
So the take is it's simple, Sander. It's like having a buffet and having a la carte. When you have a la carte and you're sitting with two people, you'll say, "Ki I love the biryani," and you'll talk about the biryani, how it's made. And then now, if you've gone with 30 people and you've gone to a buffet, no one's going to be talking about the same thing. Everyone's got their own take on it, and it's chaos. And for all you know, the quality of the buffet will not be as good as that one biryani that chef actually made, where he makes it with much more passion. And here it's there's a buffet, and it's just like it looks great. And the best part is when you're really hungry, you look at a buffet, you lose your appetite, and then you eat less.
I'll to definitely go for biryani.
So it's the same, yeah. So it's the same thing with social media. So what you were saying, ki earlier there was more appreciation. There was more appreciation because we had lesser. Anything when it's lesser is better. Anything, right?
Yes. तो सर ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बट एक्टिंग इज नॉट एवरीडे जॉब. अपने फ्री टाइम में ऐसी अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग हम क्या करें जिससे हमारी एक्टिंग पे भी इफेक्ट ना हो, और जो कि हेल्प करे वो हॉबीज हमारी एक्टिंग को और अच्छा इंप्रूव करने में एज अ पर्सन. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक इन दैट?
So the question is, what should you do to improve on your acting when you're not acting?
Yeah.
Get off social media. Get off social media. Do absolutely nothing. See, there is no one thing. I mean, spend your time into something that enriches you. Use AI as a tool. Use AI as a tool. Now, supposing if you... So, I think one thing which actors must do is to use AI as a tool. Like, supposing if you go onto ChatGPT, that's if you're not a good writer, okay? And you want to... You think of something which might challenge you. Create a monologue out of it. Feed it into ChatGPT. You can download it. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, you can download it. It's an AI tool, and उसमें you can just say कि ये character है और इसके इसके बारे में ये मुझे 2 पेज का monologue लिख के दो, and after that you can kind of correct it a little bit. Practice that. So you today you cannot complain that I don't know how to practice being an actor. Show that to a few friends. Show it to yourself. I mean, assess it. One of the very important things for an actor is to be able to assess one's self before anything else. Again, that's critical thinking. You need to analyze what you're doing. ये जो बोलते थे ना कि वो mirror में कर लो, do it in the mirror if you want, but problem with the mirror is कि it doesn't stay. It's not recorded. If it's recorded, you can study it. You can watch it and study it. So today, everyone's got videos or cameras on their phones. Record yourself. Sit at home and record yourself. Do a range of monologues. See how you're improving. See where you need to improve.
But towards to, I think chat लोगों का काफ़ी अप्रोच ही कंफ्यूजिंग वाला रहता है कि लाइक नहीं, जब पहले मुझे राइटिंग सीखनी है, देन मुझे अच्छी तरह आएगी, देन आई विल राइट समथिंग.
नहीं क्यों, वो तो एक्टिंग सीखना है ना.
बट अप्रोच उनका थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग ही होता है टुवर्ड्स.
No. See, एक चीज़ है कि you should be very clear with what is the goal, what is the objective. The objective is to act. Okay, so put all your focus over there, and in that journey you will learn other things. But you cannot say कि I'm going to be a good writer before I can be an actor. ऐसे कुछ है ही नहीं.
बट ये एक्चुअली हमसे ज़्यादा हमारे जो सराउंडिंग्स में लोग हैं ना, वो बताते हैं.
No, of course it's important to know how to read and write. I mean, you should, in fact, I feel not only but when we're talking about reading and writing, we should also address the fact that जो भी लोग आ रहे हैं, everyone should be very well versed in Hindi and English, in both the languages. More in Hindi because that's our mother tongue. और पर प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि स्क्रिप्ट्स इंग्लिश में मिलते हैं.
रोमन में मिलती है.
Yeah, so I find it very confusing Roman, but yeah, or that Roman Hindi thingy. But the problem is कि वो देवनागरी में नहीं मिलने वाला है, और अगर मिलेगा भी तो you'll have to probably ask for it. And if you supposing अगर आपको लगा कि वो रोमन हिंदी पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम है तो you should ask. पूछने में कुछ नहीं है, just ask for it. मैक्सिमम वो बोलेंगे नहीं है. But today you can take it to chat GPT में डालो और बोलो कि ये देवनागरी में ट्रांसलेट करो, 1 सेकंड में वो देवनागरी में देगा. So utilize these tools.
हाँ, ये मैंने किया है.
Yes, of course.
मुझे हिंदी में दो.
Yeah, French में, Chinese में, Japanese में.
Because what happened is कि रोमन में स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है, जो इस क्राफ्ट से रिलेटेड लोग हैं, हिंदी बहुत खराब हो गई है उनकी. रोमन पढ़ के इन जनरल हिंदी बहुत ही कम लिखा जाता है. एंड आई थिंक मेरे 2 सवाल हैं इस टॉपिक से लेके. क्या एक्टिंग को परस्यू करने के साथ साथ आपकी इंग्लिश एज अ एस एक्टर बनाती है कि लाइक इंग्लिश इम्पोर्टेंट है एज अ एक्टर बनने के लिए?
See, in today's day and age, important चीज़ क्या है, वो है communication. Okay? And actor क्या है? Actor है medium of the message. All right? Now, as a medium, you need to have certain skill sets for communicating your emotion. And when language is being used to communicate emotion, you need to know the language. Now, if supposing I cast you in a Chinese film, you will have a lot of difficulty emoting yourselves, even if you mug your lines. वो रट लिया, पर वो emotion बिल्कुल वो ठीक नहीं आएगा. Till you don't know the true meaning of every word. वो correct emotions नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है? तो उसमें क्या ऑप्शन होगा कि ज़ैंडर हिंदी में ही कर लो, इंग्लिश में कर लो, हम डब कर लेंगे. और विल से नहीं, मुझे चाइनीज़ स्पीकिंग ही चाहिए, तो अब ज़ैंडर को रोल मत दो. Now Chinese I'm using as an extreme example. Coming back to English and Hindi. As an actor, it is very important to know both languages. Because many of the material that you're going to get is in English. आधा से ज़्यादा time पे director will direct you in English also. Or if it's the other way around, director is directing you in Hindi and your Hindi is weak, then you're going to have a problem. If you're getting a Roman Hindi script or a Devanagari script, you will have problem reading it there. So even if you are an actor जिसका English बहुत strong है और हिंदी weak है, वो भी problem है, and vice versa भी problem है. ठीक है? तो ideally क्या होना चाहिए कि you need to work on yourself कि both languages you should grasp. You should have a very strong command on language as an actor, because you're using language to communicate.
I think ये टॉपिक मेरा रीज़न इसलिए था बिकॉज ये डिटेल जो आपने हमें बताई है, ये ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता.
Okay.
उन्हें ये लगता है कि एक्टर्स जब अपने इंटरव्यूज देता है, मैंने उन्हें हिंदी में बात करते हुए नहीं देखा. बहुत रेयरली एक्टर्स हैं जो हिंदी में कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं.
हाँ.
बट मोस्टली व्हेन दे आर एक्टिंग ऑन अ सिनेमा, तब हिंदी आता है. तो काफ़ी लोगों के माइंड में था कि एक्टिंग के लिए क्या चाहिए मुझे.
See, it also depends कि प्रोग्राम क्या है. If it's an English program, it's a Hindi program. Audience कौन है? Is it an English speaking, by and large English speaking audience, or by and large Hindi speaking audience? So all these factors, yeah. But bottom line है कि if you want to communicate, you should be able to communicate in both languages very well, because both languages are now very spoken languages in our country. Hindi to obviously is spoken, this thing, but is the main language. But English is also now taking over, because I think I think India has one of the highest population of English-speaking people in the world. India. Of course, we can go into that. It's a different discussion because of colonization and all that stuff. But the fact of the matter is कि now, और अब सोशल मीडिया की वजह से अब और लोग को access मिल रहा है. People in smaller towns are speaking English, which they weren't earlier as well because of lack of social media.
अब तो एप्लीकेशंस भी आ गई है, डुओलिंगो एंड ऑल, जहाँ से आप अपनी कोरियंस को, कोरियन ग्रामर्स को ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ उसमें. तो रोज आधे घंटे के लिए बैठता हूँ.
या
सो आई थिंक इस टॉपिक के साथ आई थिंक एक और सवाल है मेरा. एक एक्टिंग परस्यू करने के लिए, एक्टिंग करियर को परस्यू करने के लिए मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए?
Minimum qualification is the desire to perform. Art does not need qualification. Art requires practice. Art requires observation. Art requires surrendering yourself, dedicating your life to something. Now, you can go to a school to become better, but it doesn't mean that if you haven't gone to that school, you couldn't do it. Any kind of a school will help you, and you may gain from it, and then there's some schools you may not gain from at all. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर वो नहीं किया तो अब कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
क्योंकि मिक्स इन्फॉर्मेशंस है. कोई कुछ एक्टर्स इंजीनियर्स हैं, डॉक्टर्स थे.
Yes.
And कुछ और कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट.
Yes. So it's not about that. Art is about expression. Art is about expressing yourself. Art is about being an individual.
Because
And what you were talking about earlier about कि everyone's mimicking everybody, और उसके वजह से the quality of art has gone down. If you think about it, you do not see stuff that inspires you in the art world, in the world of art, I mean, be it in music or in any form of art that amazes you. You don't hear a piece like Interstellar anymore. You don't hear music that kind of inspires you. You don't see things that inspire you because everyone's mimicking now. And art is about being an individual. And if being that individual means you take a certain path, and that path requires you to experiment with a certain school of thought, it's up to you. You do that.
इस पे आई थिंक जब मैं अपनी एक्टिंग की शुरुआत कर रहा था तो स्टार्टिंग में हम अपने दोस्तों से पूछते हैं कि लाइक एक्टिंग कैसे शुरुआत की जाए, या वी नो कि हम जहाँ तक पूछ सकते हैं या जिन लोगों के साथ अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे पहले बताया गया कि बिल्ड अ बॉडी. आप अपनी बॉडी बनाओ एंड देन अप्रोच फॉर एक्टिंग. एंड आई वाज कंफ्यूज कि बॉडी बनाओ कि एक्टिंग सीखूं. व्हाट्स योर टेक इन दैट? बिकॉज बॉडी बनाना इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ एक आर्ट है, बट उसका कितना इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, या उसी की वजह से आप एज एक्टर बन सकते हो, या दैट इज अ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट की थिंग्स टू बी एन एक्टर. बट अगर ये है तो individuality का है.
So it's like this, the world runs on trends. So if you look at every decade, there is a trend, and that trend affects entertainment. All right? 20 साल पहले standard format होता था कि horse riding सीखो. Today, if someone says, I know horse riding, you'll be like, okay, good for you. Because I don't remember seeing any horse riding in any movie in the last, I don't know how many years. If someone says ki 6 packs banao, good for you. See, the thing is, number one, it's about people will advise you as per what the trend is. When the trend, our own actors who've got abs now, they didn't have abs in the 90s. Okay, and then the trend came in ki acha now you open the shirt and show your abs. So now all the actors in their 40s and 50s started developing abs, right? Because log ko wohi dekhna. See, end of the day, it's about how appealing you are. So now within the realm of being an actor, it's about how you want to position yourself.
Because as you know, बॉडी बनाने में 2 से 2.5 घंटे या 3 घंटे डेली जिम में जाते हैं.
See, there's nothing wrong in anything, Xander. The thing is, what I'm saying is, it's about how you want to position yourself.
Exactly, because
If you want to position yourself as a uh, complete thinking actor, when और ये natural tendency है कि जब सबसे ज़्यादा focus एक चीज़ पे जा रहा है, the other things will be neglected. So that's why you will see typically, not every single time, but typically you'll see जो actors बिल्कुल the very intellectual actors जो हैं वो अपने बॉडी पे उतना ध्यान नहीं देते क्योंकि उनका पूरा टाइम अपने स्किल क्राफ्ट उस पे है. And the actors who typically focus too much on body, their sense of maybe this thing will be a little weaker. And then there are people who try and balance it out. Then there are people who try and balance it out and they succeed also. So that is also, so it depends how you want to position yourself, how you want to present yourself.
that would be the right approach.
Yeah, so the approach is different for everybody. It's about how you want to do it. Music is music. Now, what form of music, how you want to display your music, how you want to showcase your music is up to you as an individual.
सर हमारी इंडियन फिल्म हिस्ट्री का ये इतिहास रहा है कि काफ़ी मॉडल्स हैं जो 80s 90s में थे जो टर्न इनटू एक्टर्स में आए, एक्टिंग करते हैं एंड काफ़ी अच्छा करियर उनका ग्राफ रहा. अप एंड डाउन्स ऑब्वियसली बातें हर फील्ड्स में आती हैं, बट अब भी ये कहा जाता है कि मॉडल्स कांट एक्ट. तो ऐसी कौन सी अप्रोच यू वांट टू एडवाइज देम और मे बी फॉर द यंगस्टर्स, यंग मॉडल्स आल्सो, या जो इस क्राफ्ट से आना चाह रहे हैं एक शिफ्ट लेके, व्हाट विल यू सजेस्ट एंड व्हाट्स योर टेक इन दैट कि क्यों हो रहा है ये?
So my take is that everyone can act. How everyone can cook. How everyone can sing. Now how well you sing, how well you act, how well you cook is a separate matter.
बट देन फिर ये क्यों कहा जाता है कि
So
that's a model?
no, so that's the whole thing. So typically when you look at it like this, majority of people are raw when they start off. जब शुरू करते हो, कोई भी चीज़ शुरू करते हो, शुरू में हमें कम पता होता है. Like you start cooking also, you start with the fried egg. You start with toast, butter, fried egg, then it will go into an omelette. Then you're not going to start making some pot roast for the first as your first attempt. So what happens is that it's about where you're focusing. Modeling is a skill separate to acting. They're both about presenting yourself. Okay? They're both about presenting and influencing an audience. Technically, a model is an influencer, right? An actor is also an influencer. Today, if you are influenced by De Niro's performance in a film, which you saw 20 years ago, it means he's influenced you. So he's an influencer as well. An actor is an influencer. Okay? Now, the thing is that why does one assume that if you are doing one thing, you should do another thing? Then I can, as per that theory or reasoning, मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि जो एक्टर्स हैं वो बहुत ख़राब मॉडल्स, they're terrible models.
हाँ, मैंने ये पर्सनल
No,
एक्सपीरियंस
no, but I will say actors are bad models and models are bad actors, then it's fair. Now, so the thing is that it's not about forming a judgment. Firstly, why should you form a judgment? The thing is that you must always form a judgment as per a person's performance when you have given that person an opportunity to try. So if I'm testing for something and a model comes to me, or if I want to test a model, my assumption isn't that he or she is a bad actor. My assumption, my assessment will be that he or she is a bad actor after I have interacted with that person, or if I have tested that person. So I don't think people should give it so much of thought. I think it's a very I think it's just a very immature judgment. Yeah.
सो सर What is the right age to start acting for female
Age?
and male? Right age.
Oh, there is no age, yeah. There is no
age?
age. See, you act. जो भी हम करते हैं हम अपने कैपेसिटी में करते हैं. Whatever you have learned, whatever you've understood, you utilize that in your craft. But you're doing the craft. You may not be doing it as well as a De Niro or anybody else, but you're doing your craft.
Is financial support is important to approaching the acting craft?
See, it's a very personal thing, yeah. But I'd like to say one thing there is I feel constant financial support kills fire in the belly. It's a very personal thing, yeah. I mean, some people, if a parent wants to help their child, it's fine, yeah. And some people are fortunate, some people are not fortunate. Some people choose to do it, some people don't choose to do it. Sometimes you'll have a person who can easily afford financial support but doesn't take it. So it's a very individual thing, and I think it's something that an individual needs to reflect upon in their own life, and it'll shape them.
So अगर जो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो एक्टिंग में कुछ करना चाहते हैं या उनके पास बजट नहीं है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट नहीं है, then how they can approach acting and उसके बाद साइड में साइड बिजनेस या साइड जॉब क्या कर सकते हैं?
I come across actors who do this. कि कहीं जॉब कर रहे हैं and they'll say कि ठीक है, अगर if I get the job I'll take 2 days leave, and then they make a transition into full-time acting. So you can do that also.
बट ऐसी कोई जॉब्स हो जो उनके एक्टिंग को ज़्यादा इफेक्ट ना कर पाए, एंड एटलीस्ट इसी इंडस्ट्री में ऐसी कोई जॉब्स हो जो दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर इट और जिससे वो कनेक्ट रहे उस क्राफ्ट से.
No, I mean, see, if you're supposing like a freelancer or something, if you're doing a freelancing job, then you can find time to devote to acting as well. But if you're doing a job which is requiring you to be in office from morning to night, then it'll be more difficult for you to do that, to achieve that.
Exactly. ये तो.
So, and then you have to make choices in life, yeah.
That's
you have to make choices in life. Again, it's a very personal thing. You have to make choices.
बट सर इसमें ऐसे जो मैंने इनिशियल्स आई थिंक हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड्स में भी हुआ था कि हम बहुत सारे ऑडिशंस मूवीज़ भी हम शूट करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम सोशल मीडिया कैमराज में करते हैं, बट अपनी एक्टिंग को इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा कैसे इम्प्रूव किया जाए? ये आई थिंक इसका पैरामीटर्स जो नए बच्चों से लेके वो उन एक्टर्स तक है जो इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, बट दे स्टिल फेसिंग इट.
See, I think what you really mean in that sense, Xander, is that key to improve your acting in front of a camera is that when you are acting at home, you know you're not being judged, and the only person judging you is you yourself. So you think कि ये बहुत अच्छा किया मैंने, and so it's not about the camera. It's about when the judgment shifts from you to other people.
But ऐसी कौन सी exercises हैं?
And to be comfortable with that. To be comfortable with that. And I think the exercise in that sense, it's not an exercise, but a quality to have, is to listen very carefully. Is to listen very carefully to what the director is saying, to listen very carefully to what the audience is, how the audience is responding if you're in a play. And that is where experience helps. Everybody's nervous here. Even when AC/DC goes on stage, even today, they're nervous. They're nervous when there's 50,000 people waiting to hear them. And that's a good sign. That's a good sign. But then that is when that is why it's so important to train yourself constantly, mentally, spiritually, physically, so that when you're in the battlefield, anything can happen. And you need to know how to respond to it very calmly, not get flustered. Because if you get flustered, you're going to lose.
आई थिंक द सिंपल वर्ड इज सेइंग लाइक अगर आपको उस एरिया के बारे में पता है अच्छी तरह से देन यू नो आपको नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट क्या करनी चाहिए, बैकअप प्लान.
Yeah, so everyone has a method. Everyone has a method. There are certain actors who like to go onto a set to get familiar with the set. So at least that part is, so that they feel familiar. They don't feel they are, tomorrow. And when I direct, I would definitely want my actors to be on set a day before to feel the set. I cannot put you into a set and say this is your room where you've never been in that room before. I need to give you at least 5, 6, 7 hours to spend time in that room, to sit on that bed, to lie on that bed, to sit on the couch, to watch TV, to have your clothes in the cupboard, to change, to go for a bath, whatever allows, whatever the set allows. So that you start feeling that this is your room. So everyone will have their own process in being comfortable. So the whole process is that the whole deal is that when you're an actor, you need to keep all your training in place for when you start facing the world. Forget the camera. That is the point where you're presenting yourself to the world. The real world.
बट ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो मे बी अभी उनके पास वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं है कि वो सेट पे जा सकते हैं या डायरेक्टर से बात कर सकते हैं या इवन कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से जा सकते हैं वो. बट ऐसी कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं जो अगर वो घर पे बैठ के मोनोलॉग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं या किसी कैरेक्टर पे काम करें, ये एक्सरसाइजेज आप करो ही करो बिफोर परफॉर्मिंग दिस क्राफ्ट और बिफोर अप्रोचिंग दिस क्राफ्ट?
Yeah, you have to. I mean, you have to practice, right? You got to practice. See, देखो, it's like this. You want to play, मान लो कि you want to play the harmonium. So you start off how? You start off by practicing at home. Or then you find yourself a teacher. So either you learn by yourself, you can learn from YouTube, you can learn from different places today. There are people who've learned how to read and write music from YouTube. So there are proper lessons over there. So it's up to you what medium, what path you choose. But फिर एक दिन ऐसा आएगा when you will have to play the harmonium in front of 20 people and you'll be nervous.
Yeah.
So when you keep doing it, वो हो जाएगा, eventually वो होगा. But you cannot think कि अरे I want to learn the harmonium and I know how to play one Hindi song with one hand, like I'll just play da 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 da. And now I want a concert and I want people to love me. Then you're an idiot. You're a fool.
Then what is the deeper meaning of approaching acting as a person? और आपकी लाइफ को वो किस तरीके से चेंज कर सकता है और या किस रियलिटी को वो अचीव करे?
See, I think as an actor, it's very important for you to know your purpose. And all that will kind of fall into place. You need to know your purpose as to why you act. And then you need to understand your objective.
बट ऐसे कुछ आपके नोन में जो एक्टर्स हैं जिनको आप लुक आफ्टर करते हैं या आप सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं ऑडियंस को कि अगर आपको एक्टिंग के बारे में कुछ समझना है, उसके प्रोस्पेक्टिव के बारे में कुछ समझना है या उसके इंटेंट के या नीड और वांट्स के बारे में समझना है, तो इन एक्टर्स की या डायरेक्टर्स की आप मूवी को अप्रोच करें या देखने की कोशिश करें ताकि आपको एटलीस्ट वो बेसिक समझ आए कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली पीपल आर डूइंग एंड वी वांट.
No, I see again, the thing is that it'll be very short-sighted to name people. I think what's important is to discover. Just as a human being, you must discover. And why I'm saying you must discover is because in that process you will see what you don't like, what you don't want, what's not working, and you will see what's working, what you like, what you want. That's why it's so important to discover. You cannot tell a baby, a toddler, ki, only play in this section. You need to let the toddler go and pick up whatever they want and do whatever they want in the park. Let them fall somewhere, let them hurt themselves somewhere, and then they learn ki okay, agli baar ye nahi karna chahiye. But you cannot make them short-sighted by giving them that kind of advice, is what I feel.
ये आई थिंक सारे नए जितने भी ऑडियंस हैं या एक्टिंग से रिलेटेड जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनका ये सवाल होगा फॉर श्योर कि हाउ टू अप्रोच बिग पैना हाउसेस, यशराज, धर्मा, फैंटम, एक्सेल, कैसे अप्रोच करें? व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस? कैसे उनको अप्रोच किया जा सकता है?
Well, okay. I mean, I would say there's two ways of doing that. One is the practical way, which is that when you just find out who's heading the casting in the production house, it's easy to find numbers. It's easy to find emails. Send your profile. Send your profile, and they'll call you when. Look, all casting directors are aware of the profiles that they receive. Because it's their bank, okay? It's called bank, and every now and then they'll go through the bank. That's what I also do, and then we'll say, okay, let's try this person. Okay, I'm looking for this character. Why don't we try this guy? Let's call him. Let's call her for this, and then you try out the person, and then you've got that opportunity, right? Sometimes what happens is what actors also need to understand ki. At that point of time, what a casting director is looking for that particular project, you may not fit. The next film I do next year with them, you may not fit. The next film I do the next year after that, you may not fit. And then आपको लगेगा कि यार मैं 3 साल से बोल रहा हूँ, आपने मुझे एक बार भी नहीं बुलाया. Because I didn't think you were fitting any of these parts. Now, how can you showcase yourself? Now, if supposing you involve yourself into other streams of acting, I might see you doing something somewhere, and I might say, oh, I think I was wrong. Xander is actually really interesting. He's really funny. I didn't think he was funny, but he's got a funny bone. I should definitely try him for that part. So what happens is, my suggestion is, please don't wait for people to call you.
Create your own opportunity.
A casting director is like, look at casting directors as McDonald's on a highway. We'll keep coming, but you keep driving. You stay on your path. You just keep on going for your destination, and people will just keep passing you by. You may stop, have a little interaction, move forward. And we might call you after 2 years. We might call you after 5 years.
Okay. So for that, you need to have a lot of patience.
You need to have resilience. You need to have patience. But that's what I'm trying to say. You need to know your purpose and objective as an actor.
For sure.
Okay, and it's very difficult to pinpoint purpose and objective. Your purpose and objective may change after 1 year. It may change after 5 days. It may change after 10 years. But you need to be very clear. And then you need to focus on that purpose and focus on the objective.
But sir, कहते हैं कि first impression is the last impression. Okay, if I'm meeting those people in the first time, or maybe अगर मैं आपसे मिल रहा हूँ first time, या कोई और मिल रहा है आपसे first time, so what should be that positive approach?
Yeah, you see, what is a positive approach, Xander? Positive approach is just being positive in life, yeah. It's not about being fake. It's not trying to be good. It's not trying to please people. A lot of people, unfortunately try and please people, and not just actors. I'm talking about any aspect of cinema. There'll be people trying to please the producer or the director or whoever. The thing is, why do you want to please a person to get a job? I think it's very degrading. If the person cannot see what you're actually about. So I think when it comes to first impression, I think for me, again, I'm not here as a spokesperson for anyone. I can only talk about myself. I think one of the things that does impress me about people is when they're themselves. I'm always looking for, in general, even when you meet people socially, you like to meet people who are themselves, because then you have a different character,
Exactly, because sometimes ऐसा होता है कि वो nervousness की वजह से भी हो जाता है कि we trying to
See,
okay, we
these
are
things
meeting
are,
first
but
time,
see,
we
that's
have to-
fine, right? That's fine. I mean, that's normal. It's a very natural thing to be nervous, which is fine. And I think it's only nice if the person that the nervous meeting person is meeting, that the person helps them not be nervous. Um, uh, you know, so I think that's also very important. I don't think it's very commendable for a person to enjoy having a person who's nervous talking to them. That's not a good thing. You should assist that person, actually, isn't it?
Yes, sir, for sure. Sir, I think हमारे अभी टॉपिक्स में हमने सुना था कि द रे प्रोग्राम आई थिंक हमारी इस बीच में बात भी हुई थी, बट आई वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट इट. मुझसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक ऑडियंस जानने के लिए तैयार है कि और जानना चाहती है कि व्हाट इज़ द रे प्रोग्राम इज़.
So the Ray program is basically an acting program which I've developed. It's not based on any of the existing teachings in acting. It's how is my approach. What I feel is something that may assist actors to approach acting. So I've named it after my name myself. So it's called the Ray program. So so it kind of deals with things like emotional intelligence. It deals with the triangle of intent, which we spoke about, which is need, want, and intention of a character. So it's basically to assist the actor to figure out their own process. So the program is not designed to tell you how not to do anything. The program is designed for you to discover that, okay, this is how you can do it. Now do it like this, and whatever you're doing is fine. Now make that better. And what happens with that, Xander, is that it encourages individual development, rather than all of you doing something in the same way, that this is how you should do it.
Actually, I was about to ask कि like ऐसा ना हो कि people understand the same way.
So for instance, even when it comes to language, when you look at Hollywood, there are so many people who speak with a Latin accent, even today. And they're stars, but they speak with a Latin accent, but they are very much Hollywood. In fact, they are part of the framework of Hollywood. And I feel even when it comes to language, use your language, use how you speak, see how it works for the thing. So the whole thing is is to develop a sense of assessment. That is this helping? Is that not helping? So it's a very experimental method, actually, in that sense, if I may even call it a method, which is to explore.
Because I think, like as you have said earlier, Arnold, he was very confused about his acting. People may have suggested him to change his accent.
Yeah.
And now that's become his specialty.
Yeah, absolutely. And in fact, this is what's happening is that, this mimicry that we are doing now, there's this, everything is being mimicked. The way of dressing is being mimicked. The style of music is being mimicked. Everything is being mimicked. And the whole idea of the program is to try and break people out of that. And it's not as if they're going to break out of it immediately. But it sets a certain framework for them to reflect upon. And then it's really up to you how long you want to, how often you want to use that approach, till it becomes your method.
Exactly. So, if they want to approach you for this participation and this for workshop, how they can approach?
Oh, so we've opened a Instagram page called the Ray Program, and they can go there and kind of leave their name and number. There's a form there, and if they want to find me on Instagram, I'm not there. I'm not on social media, and I'm very happy about it. Like, I'm very happy I'm not on social media because it's demented, and but the program is there. So. So yeah, you're not going to get responses from me personally, but the program is there, and my team will respond, and we'll.
So, sir, ये कितने दिन की classes हैं?
8 days.
8 days के लिए.
Yeah.
And if they want to apply for more, then if
No, so
8
right
days
now
के
I've
बाद if they
designed an
want-
8-day program, and then I'm going to be designing a advanced program, which will be another 8 days or 10 days or whatever,
So,
which will be more intense.
so is there what will be the fees for that? And
The fee for this is 35,000. Yeah.
so, I think we are almost about to close this session. But before we leaving, we want to say and discuss about the few things which you want to say to all the aspiring actors who wants to do something in their life in this craft. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हर एक्टर को समझनी चाहिए एंड अपनी लाइफ में ये उनके काम आए बेसिकली.
Advice number 1, spend lesser time on social media. Advice number 2, be very clear of your purpose, of why you want to be an actor, and what do you want to do, what's your objective, what do you want to do with your skills. Okay, so first, reduce social media time to the bare minimum. Number 2, be very clear of your purpose and objective as an artist. And number 3, I would say just focus on enriching yourself as a person.
ऑलराइट, सो इसी के साथ आज का हम एपिसोड ख़त्म करते हैं हमारे नए एपिसोड टॉक एंड टॉक का विद मिस्टर अभिमन्यु रे सर. सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट. इट्स मीन्स अ लॉट
thank you.
आई एम श्योर दैट जितने भी एक्सपायरिंग एक्टर्स हैं जो इस क्राफ्ट में कुछ करना चाहते हैं और ये इन्फॉर्मेशन उनके लिए बहुत ही वैल्यूबल होगी. एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर रे प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो.
Thanks very much.
And I'll wish you all the best for making aware a lot of students about what is this craft is about.
Yeah.
And I mean a lot. Definitely will see you next time as well for your next sessions.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
Till then, I wish you all the best. And इसी के साथ हम खत्म करते हैं आज का एपिसोड ऑफ टॉक एंड टॉक. Have a nice day, guys.